excited about the Otter Trail with the Multiply team. So where do we start in terms of packing? Let me take you through the bag. You start with a backpack that's between 50 to 80 liters because everything you need during the 5-day hike is really in your backpack, on your back. So you don't take the nice to haves, maybe we'll use it. You take only what is necessary and all of it in your backpack. Let me start with how to actually put your backpack on your back. What's important? Always tie here. Don't go around with the backpack just hanging because the weight then is on your shoulders. Use this as much as possible and make sure that it balances. Your hips are your friends in terms of holding the backpack. This is why functional training is important. Your core must be strong enough to carry the backpack throughout the 5 days. So that's your backpack. 50 to about 80 liters, only the necessary inside. Carry it properly, no hanging, belts around, and that's your way to win it.